Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini Ani mau membuat website
Dengan iklan Google, kami bisa menjangkau customer yang paling relevan. Sekarang, kami itu bisa mengirimkan ribuan order per hari. Semakin Sirebox bisa berkembang dengan bantuan Google, semakin banyak petani di Indonesia yang bisa kami bantu.
I have stopped the sidebar section of the admin panel. So here you can see the many design of the sidebar section. Here you will be able to get one of these. So if you want to get this, you will be able to get this one. Click on this. It goes to the side. Here you will be able to copy the HTML along with the CSS as well as the JS. These three things you will be able to copy and put into your website. Right? So here it little bit complicated. So this design is very attractive. This little bit complicated as you are a beginner of the designing. So let me take this example. You have to go to the W3 school. You have to get the simple example, right? So if you search as responsive sidebar example, you will be able to get this design. So here simple. Here you will be able to get this design. So if you want to try yourself, you can see this here. Simple design you will be able to get here. Simple design. So how to get them? Apply your site. Here I'm going to go to copy this sidebar section here. Copy it. Right, this is sidebar section. You have to copy it. Back to my website. So this is your first row. I'm going to apply the second row. So second row, how to apply? Div class equal row row. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one 12 these two things, right? Div close it, close the div tag. Here I'm going to paste it here, this sidebar section. Copy this back to here and paste it over here. Right now here let's align it. Simply you select all the things, press tab key on your keyboard and set the alignment perfectly. Right now let's this one we have to, this is a page content here, right? So let's here 12 right. So the sidebar, this is sidebar section. So sidebar section we have to write like this here as a column 6, column sidebar section we have to apply 3. This one design we have to apply 3. Inside the row we have to put into two columns. One is a sidebar section, right? The sidebar section. Another one is a page content, right? The page content, the second one. So what I'm going to do is the first one, this column 1. Second one I'm going to put it here, div class equal column md 9. Now the 3 plus 9 total is 12. So the maximum size is 12. So we have to, the content you have to paste it over here, right? This is the content. Right now let's check the preview. Yeah, you have to put inside the content you have right here test. So write like this, test. Right now here what I'm going to do is after that we have to copy that CSS type. You have to add the CSS types. So your CSS types also you have to get a copy. All the CSS types you have to get a copy of it. You have to go to here the section, head area. Here we have to write the title also. The title, not a document, is a student management system. So here we have to, you have to write here style, starting, and your style, you have to close the tab. Right. Now what I'm going to do is inside the style, I'm going to paste this style.
sorry.
Control S to save and back to here and check it. The document, this page here, it is working. Now it's perfectly working the sidebar section. You will be able to see the sidebar section. Here, if you click on this, it wants to change the things, right? So here, content, what I'm going to do is, you have write the, where's the content,
Kelas kan gini.
the layout, the content, this is the content part. We have to yield the content. We have to write the yield content, right? Yield content. You have to write this keyword yield. This is the beauty of Laravel, yield content, right? Okay, this is the layout. So layout, we have to write the another pages. You have to create the another pages, right? So we have to select the view part. You have to put the one folder which is student. Inside student folder, we have to create the files. First file is a create.blade.php. Second one, show blade.php. Third one, edit.blade.php. Right. Create page, show page. Right. So all the pages are the another page is your index page. Index.blade.php. We have created the various files. These are the files. It is inside the students folder. Right. Here we already have layout via designs. These are the header. All things we have designed. This is the project. Okay. Here, these are the section we have a. If you want to click the student, it goes to the student part. If you go to the teachers, go to the teachers part. So we have to design the URLs. So here we have right here active this of home. We have write this one. We have click on the URL student. This goes student page. If you design as a teacher, it goes to teacher URL. So enrollment, it's got the enrollment URL. After that, you have to write another thing is a course. So courses, enrollment. After that, payment. The payment. Right. This is right. So these are the things. Right. Now let's file, save all, back it our design and check it. Refresh and check it. It's working fine. You will be able to see student, teacher, courses, enrollment, and payment. Right? It's working perfectly well. Right? It's working perfectly well. Now here, if you click on the student, the student is open over here. Right? Now let's start the student part. Let's start the student. Right? So what I'm going to do is, let's go to the CRUD application for student. What are the entities we have to design of the student? Student name would be there, student name and mobile number and address. These are the three fields I am going to write it on the student. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, simply we have to make the CRUD application of the student. So let's go to the project. Now I'm going to open up the another terminal here. Click on the plus symbol. You have to get it here. Now I'm going to go to the first step. I'm going to make the CRUD application. I already do how to make the CRUD application. So very simple. First thing what I'm going to do is, we have to all the configure part we have done. We have to do the database part, right? So first what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open the XAMPP. In order to communicate with our database, you have to open with the XAMPP. Right. MySQL port is connected. Right. Now what I'm going to do, go to the